As a homeowner in Mandeville, you know how important it is to keep your home looking great and functioning efficiently. Whether you're looking to improve your home's curb appeal, increase its energy efficiency, or enhance security, door replacement is one of the most impactful home improvement projects you can undertake. A new door can transform the look and feel of your home, providing both aesthetic and functional benefits that will last for years. In this article, we'll explore why door replacement in Mandeville is a smart investment for homeowners. From enhancing security and improving energy efficiency to boosting curb appeal and increasing property value, there are plenty of reasons why replacing your doors is a wise decision. Boost curb appeal and aesthetic value. One of the most immediate benefits of door replacement is the enhanced curb appeal of your home. Your front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your house, and an outdated or damaged door can make your property look less inviting. A new, stylish door can give your home a fresh, updated look that enhances its overall appearance. Whether you choose a modern steel door, a classic wooden entry door, or an elegant fiberglass door, you'll be able to choose a style that complements your home's architecture. Customization options like decorative glass, color finishes, and hardware allow you to create a door that reflects your personal taste while adding to the charm of your home. For homes in Mandeville, where architectural styles range from traditional to modern, there's a wide variety of door styles available to match your aesthetic preferences and increase your home's curb appeal. Improved energy efficiency. Mandeville experiences a mix of warm summers and cool winters, and maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature year-round is essential. Old or inefficient doors can be a significant source of energy loss, allowing cold air to enter during the winter and cool air to escape in the summer. This leads to higher energy bills as your HVAC system has to work harder to keep your home comfortable. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors can make a noticeable difference in your home's insulation and temperature regulation. Energy-efficient doors often come with insulated cores and weather stripping, which help minimize air leaks and maintain the ideal indoor temperature. By reducing the load on your heating and cooling systems, you'll save money on utility bills while making your home more comfortable. Enhanced security. The security of your home and family is a top priority, and your doors play a critical role in keeping intruders out. Old or damaged doors, especially those with weak frames, worn-out locks, or deteriorating materials, can compromise the security of your home. By replacing your doors, you'll not only improve the overall appearance of your home, but you'll also bolster its security. Modern entry doors are designed with reinforced materials, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass that make them harder to break into. Whether you choose a steel door, which offers enhanced strength and durability, or a fiberglass door, which is resistant to cracking or warping, you'll improve the safety of your home. Replacing your doors with more secure options helps provide peace of mind, knowing your home is better protected from potential break-ins. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your home in the future, door replacement can significantly increase your home's market value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with modern, well-maintained features, and a new front door can be a standout feature that catches their eye. Replacing old, worn-out doors with high-quality, stylish models gives your home an updated look and makes it more attractive to buyers. In addition, buyers are more likely to be interested in homes that offer energy efficiency and security features. Since doors play a significant role in both, upgrading your doors can provide a high return on investment, ROI, making it a smart choice if you plan to sell in the near future. Better protection from the elements. Living in Mandeville, your doors are exposed to varying weather conditions, from the occasional storms and heavy rains to the heat of the summer. Over time, these elements can cause wear and tear on your doors, leading to issues such as warping, rusting, or cracking. Replacing your doors ensures that your home is better protected from the elements. Weather-resistant doors, such as fiberglass or steel models, are specifically designed to withstand the effects of moisture, heat, and cold. These materials don't warp or rot like wood, and they provide better insulation, keeping your home dry and comfortable. Additionally, storm doors can provide an extra layer of protection against harsh weather, while also offering ventilation during warmer months. Minimal maintenance and long-term durability. Old doors can require frequent maintenance, such as repainting, replacing seals, and fixing broken locks. In contrast, new doors are typically designed to be low maintenance and durable. Materials like fiberglass, steel, and vinyl require little upkeep, and they are resistant to cracking, fading, and warping. You won't need to spend as much time or money on repairs, and your new doors will maintain their appearance and functionality for years to come. Conclusion. Door replacement in Mandeville is a smart investment that offers a wide range of benefits. From boosting your home's curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and increasing its market value, the advantages are clear. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetic reasons, to save on energy bills, or to improve your home's safety, new doors provide long-term benefits that make them a valuable addition to any home. If you're ready to upgrade your doors, consult with a professional to find the best options for your home's style, budget, and needs. With the right doors, you can enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and visually appealing home for years to come.